If your space feels crowded, cluttered, and just hard to manage, this is going to fix that. In this video, we're breaking down 20 smart Amazon organization finds for tiny homes and small apartments, designed to help you create more space, stay organized, and make your home feel clean and functional without any complicated setup. From simple storage upgrades to clever space-saving solutions, everything here is practical and easy to use. And the best part? You'll find all product links in this description. So let's jump right in. Let's kick things off with this 3-tier bookshelf that turns unused vertical space into smart storage while keeping your setup clean and modern. This fits perfectly into tight corners, making it ideal for small apartments where floor space is limited. You can organize books, decor, or daily essentials without cluttering your room. This simple upgrade instantly makes your space feel more open and structured. You're typically looking at around $25 to $50, making this a budget-friendly way to upgrade organization. Sliding right into something more transformative, this vacuum storage bag set is a total space saver for bulky items like blankets, jackets, and seasonal clothing. This compresses everything down to a fraction of its size, giving you extra closet or underbed storage instantly. It also protects items from dust and moisture, which keeps things fresh longer. This is perfect for anyone dealing with limited storage. Most sets fall between $15 and $30, making this one of the most effective low-cost organization upgrades. Flowing into a more flexible solution, this 4-tier plastic storage bin setup gives you stackable organization that adapts to your needs. This works great for clothes, pantry items, or even bathroom supplies, keeping everything separated and easy to access. This lightweight design makes it easy to move or rearrange whenever needed. It's perfect for small homes where storage constantly changes. You can expect this to range around $30 to $60 depending on size and build quality. Now bringing order to one of the messiest spots, this undersink organizer completely upgrades how you use that awkward cabinet space. This smart design works around pipes while maximizing vertical storage, so you can neatly store cleaning supplies and bottles. Everything stays visible and easy to reach, saving time daily. This is especially useful for both kitchens and bathrooms. Pricing usually sits around $20 to $40, making this a practical and affordable upgrade. Gliding into hidden storage potential, this over-the-door shoe organizer uses space most people ignore and turns it into something incredibly useful. This hangs neatly behind doors and gives you multiple compartments for shoes, accessories, or even household items. This helps keep floors clear while making everything easy to find. It's perfect for tight living spaces. You'll typically find this priced between $10 to $25, making it a simple but powerful organization solution. And for keeping that momentum going, this magnetic fridge shelf adds instant storage without needing any installation. This attaches securely to your refrigerator, giving you space for spices, jars, or small kitchen essentials. This is perfect for tiny kitchens where cabinet space runs out fast. Everything stays within reach while freeing up countertops. Most options fall around $20 to $35, making this a smart upgrade for maximizing kitchen efficiency without extra effort. Shifting into something more niche but super useful, this Tumbler lid organizer solves one of the most annoying cabinet problems. This keeps all your lids neatly arranged instead of scattered or lost, saving time every day. This works great for anyone using multiple bottles or tumblers regularly. This small addition makes a big difference in daily convenience. You can usually grab this for around $10 to $20, making it an easy and affordable fix. Moving ahead with closet optimization, this pants hanger setup helps you store multiple pairs in one compact space. This design keeps clothes wrinkle-free while maximizing vertical hanging space. This is perfect for small wardrobes where every inch matters. It also makes selecting outfits faster since everything stays visible and organized. Pricing generally ranges from $12 to $25, making this a practical solution for keeping your closet neat and efficient. Now, easing into kitchen organization, this cabinet caddy creates extra storage inside cabinets without taking up additional space. This helps separate items like plates, mugs, or pantry goods, making everything easier to access. This is especially helpful for stacked cabinets where things get messy quickly. This simple addition keeps everything structured and easy to maintain. You'll usually find this priced around $15 to $30, making it a smart upgrade for better kitchen flow. Moving on with a smart daily essential, this hairdryer holder keeps your bathroom clutter-free while making styling tools easy to access. This mounts neatly on walls or inside cabinets, saving valuable counter space. This also keeps cords organized, reducing mess and tangling. It's a small upgrade that adds convenience every single day. Most options are available around $10–20, making this an affordable way to keep your bathroom clean and organized. Quick heads up, if anything catches your eye so far, you'll find all product links ready in this description below. Now stepping into bedside convenience, this wall organizer for dorm-style beds keeps your essentials right within arm's reach without needing extra furniture. This is perfect for holding books, phones, chargers, or small items while keeping your night area clutter-free. It attaches easily and turns unused side space into functional storage. This is especially useful for small apartments or shared spaces. You'll typically find this around $12 to $25, making it a simple yet highly practical upgrade. Moving forward, this leak-proof food storage container set keeps your meals fresh while eliminating messy spills. This is perfect for meal prep, leftovers, or pantry organization, helping you stack items neatly without wasting space. This also keeps food visible and easy to access. It's a must-have for small kitchens where organization matters. Most sets range between $20–40, offering both durability and everyday convenience. Now transitioning into bulk storage done right, this comforter storage bag with zipper gives you a clean way to store blankets, bedding, or seasonal clothing. This keeps items protected from dust while maximizing closet or under bed space. This sturdy design makes it easy to move and stack when needed. It's ideal for keeping large items out of sight but still organized. Pricing usually falls around $15–30, making it a smart solution for managing bulky storage. Sliding into kitchen organization upgrades, this pots and pans organizer finally brings order to messy cabinets. This allows you to store cookware vertically, making everything easy to grab without stacking chaos. This saves time and protects your cookware from scratches. It's perfect for small kitchens where cabinet space is limited. Most options range from $20–40, making this a highly practical upgrade for everyday cooking efficiency. Now, continuing with smart kitchen storage. This pull-out spice rack organizer transforms narrow cabinet spaces into highly functional storage. This lets you slide spices in and out smoothly, keeping everything visible and within reach. This is perfect for maximizing tight spaces that usually go unused. It keeps your cooking area neat and efficient. You'll typically find this priced around $20–35, making it a must-have for organized kitchens. Now shifting into bathroom essentials, this stainless steel toothbrush organizer keeps your sink area clean while adding a modern touch. This holds multiple brushes and toothpaste in one compact unit, reducing clutter instantly. This durable design also resists moisture and keeps everything hygienic. It's perfect for small bathrooms where space is limited. Most options sit around $10–20, making this an affordable and stylish organization upgrade. Bringing in protective storage solutions, this wine glass storage box keeps delicate glassware safe while saving cabinet space. This padded design prevents breakage while allowing you to store glasses neatly when not in use. It's perfect for small apartments where cabinet space needs to be used wisely. This also makes seasonal storage much easier. Pricing usually ranges between $20–40, making it a great option for protecting fragile items. Moving into premium storage protection, this China storage hardshell container set is perfect for keeping dishes safe and organized. This sturdy design protects against dust, scratches, and damage while making stacking easier. It's ideal for storing special occasion dishware without taking up everyday cabinet space. This keeps everything secure and easy to access when needed. You can expect pricing around $30–60 depending on size and quality. Shifting back into everyday organization, this drawer organizer set for clothing helps you keep everything neatly sorted and easy to find. This is perfect for separating socks, underwear, or folded items without creating messy piles. This makes your drawers look clean and saves time when getting ready. It's a simple upgrade that improves daily routines. Most sets fall around $15–30, making it a practical addition to any small space. And finally, closing strong with something incredibly versatile. This tri-folding foam mattress gives you extra sleeping space without permanently taking up room. This folds neatly when not in use, making it perfect for guests or small apartments. This also works great for lounging or quick setups. It's available in different thickness options for comfort and support. Pricing typically ranges from $6,120, making this a smart and flexible space-saving solution. And that wraps up these smart space-saving finds that can seriously upgrade how your home feels and functions. You'll find all product links waiting in this description below. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more smart finds like this. See you in the next one.